Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time for another edition of Who Wins? Who has the best APY rate? Is it the Shibaswap at the top, maybe at the bottom if you're reading this? Or is it going to be some of the largest banks in the world at the bottom? It could be at the top if you're reading this. So let's find out really who has the best APY. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the host of this event right here. And I want to dive deep into this because I understand the rewards came out today of the Shibaswap. Even though there is only 7, I'm very thankful for that, and it's going to continue growing that in terms of my buried bone. But it is still better than the savings account, but let's see if it really is. So let's dive into the content. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, the first contestant, let's look at Shibaswap. Come on down here. Shibaswap. So here's what we have here. Shibaswap has an APY bone, when you bury your bone into Shibaswap, 12.14% as in right now, July 25th, 2021. And they have an additional bone APR with an annual percentage rate of 6.28%. But let me go ahead and bring this out for you in case you don't know. The APY stands for annual percentage yield and includes the effect of compounding your profit. So think about that. So this APR and the APY is still attractive even though it has dropped some. So let's bring out the largest banks in the world, the banks that you may be familiar with, and I actually have an account with one of these banks as well. Let's come on out here. Let's bring him out, and here it is, some of the largest savings accounts in the world. We have Citibank with this annual percentage rate. Look at that, 0.04% to 0.15%. Just looking at Citibank compared to the bone APY is no comparison. And look at Capital One, 0.40%. PNC Bank, TD Bank, Bank of America, Chase Bank, you see it right there. Let me go ahead and make this a little bit bigger so you can see it. Sometimes my eyes be playing tricks on me. Because I'm looking at this and I'm looking at the top there, and it's still a better rate. Even if I go ahead and zoom this back out, even if I go to the APY of the burying the SHIB, look at that. If I compare it to that as well, it's just a little bit lower today. And if I go back to this here, it's still higher. This is the savings account APY, Bank of America, Chase Bank, US Bank, Charles Schwab Bank, my goodness, Wells Fargo, oh my goodness, BB&T, my goodness, look at these rates. And these are the savings rates for the largest US bank account. So if you're having your money inside of one of these banks, this is the current rate, in my opinion, from the research I gathered, and you're not really making much money keeping your money in one of these savings accounts when it comes to the APY. But I'm not suggesting you to make the switch. I'm just giving you the information and a little bit of entertainment, a little bit of butter on the message right now. Because I'm seeing here that the APR and APY is still very attractive. I understand the rewards, but I'm so grateful and thankful still. Each week we get a chance to experience this in the Shibaswap. Now, if I go to the LEASH area, the LEASH additional bone APR and APY, when it comes to LEASH of getting the bone rewards, it's still higher than the banks. So you're probably wondering, you probably already know, I know already, which one is a better APR rate or APY rate when it comes to Shibaswap or the largest savings account banks in the world? Well, I'm gonna go with Shibaswap. It's just a numbers game, percentage. Now, I still use these banks. On my checking account and other things, but I'm leaning more towards the Shibaswap. And I can't wait for more in store for the Shibaswap. I understand we're just a couple of weeks in the Shibaswap, so give it time. I understand if you have to go to something else, move on to something. I'm not necessarily here to tell you what to do, not financial advice, of course, but I'm letting you know that we're still early in this situation. Play chess, not checkers. Even though I like checkers, the little red and the black, a little. Anyway, let me get back to this. But the savings account, I get it. I do have the savings account, but I also have a Shibaswap account. So that's the comparison. Who wins? Shibaswap just has a higher APY. And look at this also. Not just when you bury and stake your actually assets of Shiba, LEASH, and Bone, but you also have the wolfing area and take advantage of additional APR rate and additional percentages and rewards is there as well. So I'm gonna tell you, man, my heart's on Shibaswap, and I still do have a bank account. I know I have a savings account, but you make your own decision. I just want to give you the information. But who wins? Shibaswap. Yay! Shibaswap wins this. So my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this event, this passage, this information about who wins. Shibaswap has a better APY. To save his account, yes, you see the money, you get to pull the money out and use it for different things, but we're just talking about the APR or even the APY as well. I'll see you on the next video. I hope you have a really good day, because I am going to have a good day, and I can't wait to see you again. Don't forget to hit that bell notification and hit also the like button. And here's our comments. Which one would you like to see in terms of what type of videos would you like to see next? And I can't wait to see you again. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.